This is a GoPro Hero 4 with infrared control. We have control of the tag button, the mode button and the shutter button. On this particular case there's no battery in the camera. We have a composite output and a small 5-volt USB input. Start the camera. And we have an image on our monitor, composite image. Let's zoom in there. USB connected, camera files accessible. And now with mode button I can change mode, get to playback, get to setup, select setup, move down the options, and exit. Changing to camera mode, we can take an image. Image saved. Take another one. 2 images. Change mode to playback. 2 images selectable. Select the first one. And we have it there. List all images. Play again. Select all images. Back to exit. And then perhaps switch off the camera. There's a small port up here. Take the camera, insert a battery, take our infrared and in this case just mode, camera comes on. Select other options.